Hello everyone, welcome back to 88 Keys. My name is Chris and in today's video I'm going to teach you the Pink Panther theme. So this is how it will sound. Okay, so you might have seen previously I have uploaded a tutorial, so if you're more than a beginner, feel free to go check out that video. I'll put a link in the description above now. That is just a playthrough of the song. If you learn that way, go and check that video out. But this video will be a step-by-step guide, okay? So the first thing we want to learn is the left hand, which will be the recognisable tune theme, which is right. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a step-by-step tutorial, so if you are a beginner, stick around because I'm sure you can learn this song. It is quite easy. In the left hand, we want to find C. So if you find the two black notes in the left, we want to find C. Okay, so then we want to go up from there, which is the C that we start on, the C sharp. Okay, and also if we find G, so if you find the three black notes, find the one in the middle and go down to the one on the left of that. That is G. Okay, so we want to use the note up from that, which is a G sharp. If we go up from the G, okay, so we've got a C sharp and a G sharp, and all we're going to do is we're going to go from the C sharp and the G sharp down to D and A. Okay, should sound like that. The next movement is to go up from D. We're going to call it a D sharp, and we're going to go up from A to an A sharp. Okay, so it's going to go like this. And then from there we're going to go down to E and B. Okay, so they just follow each other. And what you got to do to make it sound like Pink Panther is slide down the keys. Okay, go from here. So if you just practice that sliding motion, and you will get it. Okay, and then what we need to do for then is do the bit in between that, which is a B. So if you look at the C where you started before, the one to the left of that is a B, and then E. So B and E. And then it repeats. And then very simply we go in the other way. Okay, so we start on the B, B flat and the E flat, and we're going backwards. So again. Okay, and you can stop there if you want to. You can just play that pattern over. So all we need to do is in the right hand, if we go to the middle C, we go up from there, C, D, and then we find the E flat, and the same pattern to the left hand, but just on one note. So again, from there to there. And then the left hand comes in again. Exactly the same. Okay, so then the left hand comes in again, exactly the same as it was before, this pattern again. Okay, and then the right hand, it goes again, similar sort of pattern as before, just the ending changes. So it's like this. And then the right hand comes in, the left hand comes in again. Okay, so let's just look at the right hand one more time. It goes like this. Okay, so with the left hand you can add in a C and a G in this last bit here. So we'll play through the whole thing once more slowly, and hopefully you can see how this all fits together.